Hey guys, thank you so much for the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this new feature called check-in on iOS 17. Explain to you what it does, how you can utilize it better with the Messages app, and also some things that you need to know if you're going to be using the check-in feature that's really cool and exciting, I think, on iOS 17. So let's get started. So if you go into your messages right now and you're on iOS 17 and you go ahead and click a message, and let's go ahead and type a message to someone here, right? And then you click on that plus icon here. You look for the option for more and click on more, and then you'll see this option for check-in. And if you click on check-in here, as you can see here, right when you're setting it up, it'll let you know that let your friend know when you arrive with check-in, which basically can track whenever you're going somewhere. Specifically, if you're coming home maybe or going somewhere, you can put in that location and the iPhone automatically tracks the whole progress and does certain things, which we'll explain. So let's hit continue here. As you can see here, the iPhone will keep your progress, so you don't have to constantly let them know where you're at or things. They'll see where you're at and your time as well. So we'll hit continue here. So as you can see here, if you're making progress toward your destination, you'll be prompted and have 15 minutes to respond if you aren't making it. So if you're like off the road or your ETA is getting longer, it will prompt you pretty much to say something to respond. So hit continue here. And now how you like to share your data, right? So you can have limited versus full. So basically, if you do limited, it's only going to give certain stuff around your current location, battery life, and network signal for your iPhone or Apple Watch. And then if you give full, which includes all of the limited one, and then also the last the location of your unlocked phone as well. So that's going to be something in the route that you took. So you can select either or, doesn't matter. So that full here. And then here, there are some features that will happen. You'll be notified when you send the check-in, right? When you arrive at your destination and you were delayed or do not respond when prompted. So that if you are delayed or if the phone, places SOS call, you will be prompted in. If you do not respond within 15 minutes, you will be notified. Basically that your iPhone is offline. If your iPhone is offline for extended period of time, they will be notified as well when you're sending the check-in. So when you're ready to do a check-in, just send a check-in, and then location services required. So you have to turn on location services. So make sure you go into your settings. If you don't already have it, you'll want to go to privacy, location services, make sure that it's turned on, and then we'll go ahead in here. And of course, cellular data is also required. But essentially, after you do that, you send that to them. They'll be able to see your status of your location and the progress you're making and the ETA as well. And after that, you can send it to them and it will work. Now, the thing about this not working on some phones, you'll need to make sure both devices, if you're sending it to a friend, has iOS 17 for the best experience, because if they don't, they might not be able to see those progress as well. And like as mentioned, you'll need both location services on and cellular data on as well. I have Wi-Fi on here, so it doesn't really pick it up, but you get the idea here. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.